Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making this Jelly Jot game. First, I made the starter project, and the link for it will be in the description. I'm going to remix it, and now we have it as a remix. First, we want to be in Sprite 1, the jelly. So, when the green flag is clicked, repeat 2, and we need to wait 62 seconds. And repeat 50. Change y by 2. And then repeat 50. Change y by -2. And then we want to do repeat until touching Sprite 2. And then we move 4 steps. And then repeat 10. Change ghost effect by 25. This should be a 4. I meant 4. And when green flag is clicked, forever, if touching saw, we need an or. Touching saw or touching saw 2, we want to repeat 10. Next costume. And in between, we want to wait 0.001 seconds. And in the costume, I have the alive and then dead. I'll do it like this. And then we want to hide and stop off. And one more thing before we move on to the next one. We can do 1 key spaces pressed. Repeat 35. Change x by 5. And then duplicate, change x by -5. And then let's move on to the first saw now. First we can do when green flag is clicked. Repeat 2. Wait 62 seconds. And then hide. And then when green flag is clicked, forever, next costume. And when the green flag is clicked, point in direction 90, go to position x 208, and y -155. And then when green flag is clicked, forever, if x position equal -250, go to x 225 and y negative 155. And then for the second saw, we do the same thing. So we can just drag that into there, drag that, into there, and drag this into there, drag this into there. And then all we need to change is change this to x0. One more thing we need to do is also do code sprite 2. When grid flag is clicked, we want to hide, and then repeat 2. Wait 62 seconds. Show. And also, finally, I'm sure how to make a thumbnail. A thumbnail is just this. So when someone stops the project, it's going to switch right to this. So when grid flag is clicked, set ghost vector 0 to 100. And then forever go to front layer. Now if we start, now we also need to do this. I forgot. When the flag is clicked, show and point in direction 90. Switch to costume alive, and then go to negative 180 and y 160. Oh, I mean negative 60. Now in the saws, also when green flag is clicked, we need to point in direction 90. We need to show and forever move negative 3 steps. I'm going to just drag that here and put that down here, and to put the show here. No. Oh yeah, and the jelly, this should be Y. And then this one, negative 160. There. Now this should be perfect. Just like this. Oh, and just to see that it works, we're going to change all of these. Repeat to 10, just so you can see what the end's gonna look like. I just need to survive for 20 seconds. And then, like that. That's how the game ends. And also in here, show and spread, and change the specific by 25. After that, we can do stop all right here. And now I'm going to change all of this back to 62. Now And that is it. So that is how you can make my jelly jog game.